We're at Hermit's Cove now.
No sign.
No sign. Cover that. Snorkeling. 100 entrance fee. Information and registration. I guess we go into here.
No sign.
Go here. Information and registration. Oh, there you go. Hermit's Cove. There it is right there. Welcome to Hermit's Cove. The Hermit's Cove. Alright, we'll pay and then go down. Alright, let's head down to Hermit's Cove. Down the path. Watch your step. Look at this, nice stair. A lot of work. Too steep, so steep. But at least they're big. They actually fit American sized feet. She's tired of waiting. Oh, and there's the cove. Look at that, opens right up. Can I need my hand, huh? Nice. Excellent. Oh, look at that. There's the cove right there. Picture time. Alright, picture time's over. This is one thing about having a Filipina for a girlfriend. There can never be too many photo opportunities. But I'm getting better. Now I'm stopping her and telling her where she wants them.
That's our happiness. That's peace.
Your happiness is my happiness.
Of course.
Alright. We'll get down to the next photo opportunity, which will be right here. Look, she's already waiting. Can you imagine that? Ah, look at this view. Nice cove. There she is waiting. Unauthorized activities are prohibited. Here's the cove. Oh, look at that. There's Hermit's Cove sign. Look, so yeah, a lot of cabanas for you. Good swimming. And look at that. Another photo op. So here's the Hermit's Cove. We just came down there. To get down to the cove. This is the view. This is the cove. There's the end. Some fishing boats. Places to stay. Undercover. Sorry store down there. Beach dogs. Beautiful girls looking for seashells. You can go snorkeling with a tour guide and pay $400. Looks like you can rent paddle boards. You can rent kayaks. You can eat, bring down your own food. There's the sorry store. There's the beach dog. Ah, this is where the day tours are. They talked about that online, that you can rent a boat and go on tours. And I thought that they said that that might have been about $400, which is about $8 US. And yeah, we might have to come back when the weather's better, when we have a longer time. Rent those. But yeah, nice place. Alright, I'm hearing music, so I better walk away from the music, otherwise you get in trouble with YouTube. So we will head back. These are the steps that we came down. Pretty cool.
We have fishing kayak.
Look at that. Look at that. And they have a piece of wood that looks like a fish. Beautiful. And then their activities here, they've got the kayak, $200 an hour, $200 entrance fee for overnight, $300 tent rental, $50 charge or 50 peso charge. You have your own tent. 6:30 p.m. is when overnight hours start. They have quiet hours. Manage the music. Alright. And we will go back up. Getting kind of dark. Sun's going down. So it's probably time to get on the scooter and head back to the hotel. And we'll get a view here. Going back up. It does kind of feel like you're heading down to the Hermit's house. Last view. And back up. Well, so what do you think? We're stopping?
Yeah, and nice.
Yeah, pretty nice to come during the day.
Tide,
Nice to come during the day, maybe rent a kayak, do some swimming,
next time.
bring the snorkel and the mask. So next time. Alright, peace out. Funny, so we just finished the pictures and get up to the top. We had to rush for 10 minutes, and as soon as we got up to the top and they're ready to go, guess what happened? A little bit of rain.
Yeah, very rainy.
Now we get to ride in this. We're waiting. We've been waiting like 10 minutes. But I don't know, this is going to stop. It looked earlier like maybe it would pass over, but now it looks thick. So I think we're about to have a really wet ride back. Oh well, it'll be slow. That's why we have rain gear.